Jack here, and today I was just coming back from swimming, and we found this little baby sparrow in the parking lot, and his parents are going nuts. He's such a cute little guy. Whoa, not sure if he's a fledgling yet. He's just flexing his wings. Whoa. But you can see he's just starting to grow some down. He's a beautiful little thing. So let's do the right thing. Let's get him over in the corner here. Oh, let's get him right here. Put him right there. Hopefully he'll be all right. I'm not sure if he's a fledgling. Now, there's a myth that's pretty persistent, is that if you touch a baby bird, it will smell human and it won't take the baby back. That is false. The reason why I was initially very concerned is I thought I might have gotten injured, or because it was right by storm drain. There's the baby right. But it's just simply not true. So, I think it's a fledgling, and that's the reason why I think it is trying to fly. Alright, so the dad just led the baby bird back into the bush. You can see him hopping a little bit right there. So now I think the baby bird will be totally safe. It's because it's in the brush. It's not in the middle of the parking lot. It's relatively safe. And yeah, and that's exactly what my motto is about. I'm all about saving animals, you know, whenever possible. It's just something I've been doing for a while, and you know, it's just something I do out of respect.